I have a second job, a business family, like a machine operator. I study English around 1 year. Uh, I'm married. I don't have a child, and I think that's it. It's a pleasure to be here and learn with you guys. And I, for sure, I I will make a lot of mistakes because my English is so bad still.
Okay, and right now, no problem, Gabriel. We are here to learn together. And we have Flavio here with us. Flavio, can you hear me? Flavio?
He's connecting yet. I guess it's because of the internet.
Okay. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Jean. I am backend software developer. Right now I'm studying software engineering at the university. I'm 19. I live in Paraná. And in my free time, I really like to play and watch soccer. That's my favorite hobby. I think it's a little bit about me. And Flavio, can you hear me? Flavio, I I cannot hear you. Can you introduce yourself? Oh, unfortunately, I'm not here hearing the Flavio. But okay, let's continue. And when you can talk with us, you can introduce yourself, Flavio. Okay. So Kelly, can you start answering the question number 1? What is your understanding of how computer networks connect and work? And after you answer, you can choose someone to answer. All right.
Okay. My knowledge about the computer, especially hardware, it's very small. I just think, especially after this video, there's many elements connected can get a result if you start some work on that. So, your resume is just many elements connected and working for one goal. And I choose Gabriel.
All right. And what about you, Gabriel? What is your understanding of how computer networks connect and work?
I understand a little bit about technology, formally, but I will try to speak a little bit this subject. And well, I like the video that I saw it before, and I think it's there's a, I don't know how to say in English, but how our school set up a school, there is school and a lot of like our body, a lot of, I don't know how to say that, ways, I don't know. Yeah, to me, I think it's the same thing. The computer networks by nets, and I think that's it. I don't know. Talking a lot about this subject. That's it.
Okay, sure. And you can choose someone to answer.
Flavio, can you speak?
Or... Okay. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now I can hear. Can you introduce yourself, Flavio?
Hello. My name is Flavio. I'm from São Paulo. I'm married. This is my first class here. Yes,
Welcome.
it is.
It's your first time here with me, or don't talk and talk?
No, my first class, Sam, and it's my first class.
Okay,
in platform,
so welcome.
in platform.
and I hope you like the Talk and Talk
Welcome,
platform.
Flavio.
Welcome. And
Okay.
Vivian, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hi. I am
Hello.
Kivian. I think.
How can I pronounce
Uh,
Kivian?
yes, Kivian.
Okay. Okay.
I am from Canoas. Is very close in Porto Alegre, Rio Grande do Sul. I am married. I have two kids. I am developer, a Delphi developer. And I am a content creator on Instagram. And it is a second time in TalkNTalk, is a first in conversations about technology. That's it.
All right. Welcome. I think I've never talked with you before. It's your second time here on Talk and Talk, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think everybody already have introduced yourself, so we can move on. So Flavio, can you answer the question number 1? What is your understanding of how computer networks connect and work?
Actually, I don't understand anything about the technology, about the computer, and but nowadays I'm trying and learning about this.
Okay.
Yes. Thanks.
Now you can choose someone to answer.
Sorry, I don't understand the question.
What do you know about computer networks? I think that's it. What is your knowledge of computer networks?
I studied about network computers in 10 years ago. And I don't remember nothing about this.
No problem.
What?
No problem. Go ahead.
And I work in development in systems for Windows, but I don't work about the networking computers. Sometimes I build something about communication APIs, and I think I work sometimes mais ou menos this subject.
Okay. And about me, I'm studying it currently on the university. So I'm not a computer network expert, but I know that it's essential to all of us have internet connection in our house, for example. And as you said, we need it to communicate our APIs, the HTTP protocol. All right. So I think the computer networks is essential to our daily lives to connect all of us to, and to us share our data, our information. I think that's it. So everybody already have answered this question. All right. So I think,
Teacher, can I ask for you? Okay.
okay, you can ask.
what's me EPA? It's like Skype, you know, or
No.
not?
No, API.
Yes, yes. What's me?
Yeah, API, it's a kind of software, all right. We work with backend. Are you developer or no? Do you work with technology?
No, 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 no.
Oh, so
I wanted to know about the EPA. What's me?
okay, it's an application programming interface. So it's a method to share information on the network, right? In the computer networks.
Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. Thanks.
It's a basic explanation, right? You can find more on the
No,
internet.
but I understand a little bit. I understand a little bit.
Okay, so now you can move on.
Okay.
So Flavio, can we start answering the question number one? So number two. So in your opinion, what are some of the most important components of a computer network?
I think a component important is one computer, I think, or one cell phone. I think very important to communicate. You know. Yes. I think this is very important. It's tools for to use it on internet.
Sure. And you can
Yeah.
choose someone to answer the question.
I didn't understand. Could you repeat that, please?
Can you choose someone to answer, me or Gabriel or Kelly? You can choose someone.
Let me see. Wow, Gabriel. Gabriel, yes.
Thanks, man. Well, I will try speak a little bit. Well, I think my point of view maybe inside the home. I think it's maybe a router. Talking about connection, internet connection, I think it's the most important inside the house, together with a cable, internet cable, because the router will give internet all devices in the inside the house, like smartphone, laptop, computer, and I think that's it. I don't know outside, because it's to me is I don't have knowledge about this, but my wife work in a company, a company about computer network, about connection, and I know where her work, and she's a secretary, but there's a room where there's a, I don't know how to say, maybe a motherboard in connection, a big equipment. There's all connection of my city, and I don't know, more two cities around me. Stay in this room, this connection. Almost a motherboard, like a computer. I think that's it to me.
Nice.
Okay. And you can choose someone to answer, Gabriel.
Oh, maybe Kijan.
Okay. I don't remember the question.
It's the you cannot see the questions on the chat. I will send again.
Send me, please.
Okay, I can hear right now. You can see.
Okay, thanks.
The question number two. In your opinion,
Okay.
what are some of the most important components of a computer network?
Modem.
Yeah, that's true. I agree.
Como é que fala? Sem ele, como é que fala sem ele?
Without the modem,
Yes,
without. Let me type.
without. Okay.
Without.
We don't connect internet. Então, so the modem is the most important.
Yeah. All right. And you can choose someone to answer.
Kelly.
As Gabriel said, I believe the connection is the most important because without connection, you can't do nothing. Even if you have the power for hard work, you can't do many things without connection. Just last to you, Jen.
All right. So Reinaldo said here that it's very important network cables. And that's true because the cable connect all the devices, all right? All the computers, smartphones, and modem. So the network cable, it's so essential in our computer network. So to me, as Reinaldo, the network cable, it's very important. And the devices, so the computer, the router, the modem, all of these equipments, it's so important to create a great computer network, all right, without big problems. And I think right now everybody have answered.
I think it's 2 layers network and commutation.
Yeah, sure.
Communication. It's very important.
Computador, all right.
O modem que é switch trabalhando na camada de comutação, né? Camada 2.
Yeah.
Sim, isso não tem como funcionar nada.
Yeah, that's true.
Camada 3 para cima só funciona se tiver 2 para baixo.
Yeah, you are talking about the Aussie application, right? With the seven steps of the
model.
Yeah.
5.
All right, so go ahead, Reinaldo. Sorry.
No, so that's it.
Okay, so everybody already have answered the question number 2. Yes. So I think right now you can go to the next question. So Kivian, how do you think computer networks have evolved over the years? The question number 3.
Okay. I don't remember. I don't remember words, and I explain my thoughts.
If you don't remember some word, you can share in Portuguese and we'll help you.
Okay, thanks. Na década de 60, 50, como é que eu posso falar?
And the 5th date, let me, I think that's it. You usually see as it here. You can see on the chat. But okay, go ahead. We understand you.
Internet was used about war and communication and between people involved in war. And in 19th years, I was a little girl. I see internet grow up so fast, and it's fascinating.
Fast? Yeah.
Fascinating. Internet is grow up so fast, and we use the internet. I read information only. Today, as shared and videos and pictures and texts and is for me is fascinating, and that's it.
All right. So now you can choose someone to answer the question number 3.
Gabriel.
Okay. Let's see the 3 questions. Okay. Well, talking about it, like hidden about connection. I don't remember a lot this internet, but I remember maybe 1997 when I was born, maybe almost 2000, 2001. I don't know. I don't remember, but I think there was an internet. I don't know how to say in English, but in Portuguese means internet de escada. Maybe later internet. I don't know. But this internet, it was most expensive, and I remember on the weekends you could use free, but the internet is lower. I don't know. And but I never used this internet because it's most expensive, and I was a kid. But nowadays, the development this guy. Oh, I think I thought it was escada. Oh, discada.
Yeah.
I think it's later. Sorry, but nowadays I think it's the internet is it's evolved a lot. Maybe I don't know, but my city, I think it's all cities there is an internet fibra ótica. I don't know it's in English, maybe optic fiber. I don't know, and I think that's it about the connection. And I hope this connection keep on evolving day for day, because it's very important for our life. And I think we need internet for all things.
All right. Kivian, do you wanna say something? Go ahead.
Connect, there was a noise. Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Thanks good, I never used this kind of internet. I just use the radio internet and optical fiber internet connection. But all right, go ahead, Gabriel.
Kelly, can you talk?
Yeah, in my opinion, the main point is to access, because at first just a few people in specific situation could use that, and nowadays everybody have the world in your hands, and everybody can to access that. Actually, this start to be part of our life, and we can't imagine stay some time without that, without access. When you don't have the access, we get crazy. So I guess the access was evolved more in these years. I just Flavio.
All right, so you can choose someone to answer.
Flavio.
Okay.
The question number 3. How do you think computer networks have evolved over the years?
And I don't remember right, but I think and 1998, I think, and I know internet, but no was optical fiber. So and it was internet discada, yes, but um, 2000, 2001, 2002, I I I I started using application like social media. It's called Orkut. Do you remember Orkut?
Yeah, I've never used, but I remember.
Yeah, yes. So nowadays, I think internet is very, very important to all of all of us because all of us need to use internet for almost everything because without the internet you cannot to do almost anything, you know. So today internet is very important because you can research uh, anything, you know. You can research anything. Yes, you can. We can solve any problems for internet. Yes, I think it's very important the internet nowadays. Yes, because without internet we not communicate right now. Yes, it is. That's it.
Okay, and Reinaldo, do you wanna speak on the question number 3?
Yes,
So
I
go
believe
ahead, you can answer. How do you think computer networks have evolved over the years?
I believe I have more connected device and speed in driving evolution, but no, but the people who can pay or access internet ainda aren't, como é que eu posso dizer? A internet evoluiu, mas o acesso a ela de pessoas que não podem pagar não evoluiu da forma como evoluiu o acesso de dispositivos que estão conectados. Eu ainda acho que ainda tem pouca gente ainda tendo a possibilidade de pagar ou ter acesso à internet. Em regiões que não tem suporte adequado. Se for mais para o norte do país, não vai ter internet igual tem aqui. E isso é uma falha.
Yeah,
O objetivo inicial, quando criou a internet dentro da universidade, era o compartilhamento de informação, né? Do conhecimento em si, né?
yes, that's true.
Acho que não é uma falha que precisa ter mais políticas públicas para que essas regiões que têm pouca acessibilidade, elas possam ter acesso à internet. Internet que eu falo, não estou falando internet como um todo, né? Rede
Yeah.
And if I'm not sorry, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if Elon Musk or another person sent
O projeto dele,
would enviaria, I forgot, would send I forgot the word, satellite.
acho que
Starlink.
Starlink,
Starlink.
yeah, to bring connection this region so far than our region. I don't know. I think it's Elon Musk, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
that's true.
one point, money is very expensive. And free 3.000
3,000.
$3,000 one time of first payment, and
300.
300 per month, and
Yeah, it's expensive.
very expensive, of course, and regions very longe, far away.
So far.
And region so far is very good, né? And you pay for this.
Yeah.
So
And
this,
during the pandemic, a lot of child cannot study because haven't access to internet. So it was a problem too in our society, in Brazil too. All right, in all the countries, but I think Brazil it was a big problem. But go ahead, Gabriel. Do you wanna say something?
oh yeah, this place do have connection already?
I don't know exactly. I think it's possible, but it's a little expensive.
Okay. Yeah.
But all right. I don't remember what question we are answering. I think it's the question number 3. All right.
Yes.
So
Yes.
everybody
3.
already have answered. All right.
Yeah.
I think just me. So I think a great evolution of the computer networks was the internet connection in our smartphones. So we already have the 3G, 4G, and 5G internet connection. So every year it becomes more faster. So I think it was a good evolution of the computer networks that can become through the fast connection in our mobile phones. I think it's so nice, not just in the mobile phones, but for example in the laptops too. So in the mobile devices that can access the internet, it is being so fast, the evolution of the computer wireless network. I think that's it. So let's move on to the question number 4. So Kelly, what are some common problems that can arise in a computer network? What do you think?
I guess the main problems is when the network is slow, so we get anxious and frustrated. Also, when the Wi-Fi signal is weak and it can't work very well. That is the main problems. I just give you.
All right, so you can choose someone to answer.
Give you.
Okay. I don't understand this question.
What is the problems that can affect the computer networks? Quais os problemas que podem ter uma rede de computadores em português?
Okay, thanks.
No problem. Go ahead.
So many, and I was live in various problems in my life.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot internet. Modem is a very problem sometimes. I call to provedor, enfim.
Yeah.
I call to provider about these problems, and he say don't have problem. I don't have internet.
Yeah.
Internet Wi-Fi. Understand? And deixa eu lembrar como que fala em inglês. Google Translator, please help me. Deixa eu ver.
You can say in Portuguese, no problem. We can help you too.
Who has this happening to? Eu quis dizer com quem isso já aconteceu, levante a mão.
Okay, yeah. It's thanks good it did not happen a lot here with me, but when it happened, it's so boring. I need to use the internet of my mobile phone. But all right, go ahead, Kivian.
Okay, I finished.
That's it?
Flávio, talk for us.
Oh, yes. And one problem about the computer is Wi-Fi, because without Wi-Fi, nothing happening, because yes, I don't understand it so much about the computer, but I'm trying explain something for you. Yes, a problem is provided, it's provided the computer. It's sometime this stop working. Yes, and Wi-Fi, like I said, yes, it is. I don't know. I don't know much about computer. Yes, it is. I'm sorry for
problem.
that.
No
I'm sorry
problem.
for that.
Go ahead. You can choose
Yes, it
someone
is.
to answer.
Okay. And I can choose one person for
Yeah.
answer or not?
Sure. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. And let me see. And Reinaldo. Yes, Reinaldo.
I think software compatibility is a big challenge for device manufacturers. My opinion, principal, posso dizer, grande desafio, porque o modem está rodando mais de 100 protocolos, né? Se você for pensar. Está rodando na internet, está rodando WPA, WP, 802.11, A, G, D. É fabricante que não tem uma obrigação de manter isso compatível com o teu notebook, com o teu celular. Isso é um grande desafio para qualquer fabricante. E manter atualizado, né? O mercado em si, ele exige mais velocidade, mais aparelhos conectados. E para isso você tem que melhorar os protocolos. I don't like solution black box. Também não acho muito legal soluções que são fechadas. Na minha opinião, software open source, seja aberto, para que a compatibilidade seja mais flua naturalmente e não imposicionalmente. Eu vejo boa parte dos protocolos que navegam pela internet foram impostos, foram discutidos de forma ampla. Basta ver o IPsec, é um protocolo que é utilizado por infraestrutura, mas ele não é 100% seguro. Seguro sim, mas não é 100%. Existem outros que podem dar a mesma segurança, mas não é, vamos dizer assim, do mercado.
Yes. You can choose someone to answer. You can choose someone, Reinaldo, to answer the question number 4.
Então, o ponto mesmo é a compatibilidade dos protocolos, né, de dispositivo e de software. Para mim, se for pensar em dispositivo, sim. Se for pensar em usuário, é manter a sua privacidade resguardada. Se eu for, eu já trabalhei com desenvolvimento de hardware, e não é fácil trabalhar com isso. Você manter compatível, você manter ele no mercado, não é tão simples. Além das questões legais que você tem que fazer de patente.
Yeah.
Então,
Go ahead.
Sei
Do you
que
wanna say something?
para desenvolvimento de hardware, você tem que pensar em escala, né?
Yeah, that's true. And what about you, Gabriel? What do you think?
Well, talking about connection again, because it's more comfortable to me. I think it's the 5 question.
Yeah, no, the question number 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, and to me it's to be disconnected. Yeah, ficar desconectado. I don't know. And without connection. Yeah. Anyway, and I think because the weather in my city, I think it's a lot of places in Brazil. It's a big problem because when rain a lot, pouring, when have a bad weather, usually this connection drop it, and it's so bad. It's a good a big problem, I think. And like even I had a lot of problems when I used the internet, Oi's internet. I called the Oi, and always the same thing. Please unplug your router. Hold on 10 seconds. And how many lights do you see? And these things, and the problem
it never worked, right?
Yeah, the problem never was solucionado.
Yeah.
And they talked. Oh, I can help you. I will pass your call to our professional. And I think that's it. To me, it's more comfortable talking about connection, internet connection, and I think the weather, to be disconnected, internet drop it.
Yes, that's true. As you said, the weather, it's I think it's a so common problem, because when rain a lot, for example here, the trees go down into the cables, and I need to wait the providers come on to fix these problems. And usually the most of the time the providers not go in the same day, maybe just the other, and when it happened on a weekend, so it's a really big problem too.
Yeah.
So do you want to say something? Go ahead.
No. I would say it's in this case it's important to have a mobile data. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah. So
and you can share with the other other device, right?
Yeah. Because maybe you need this. I don't know. Maybe pay account and talking important message with someone.
Yeah, and if you work into a remote job, So if you work at house, it's a big problem too. So you
Yeah,
cannot work
yeah.
if you haven't data.
Yeah.
Everybody have answered this question. I think so, right?
I think Kelly, no, Kelly, do you answer?
Kelly, I think Kelly started
Yeah.
answering.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So guys, unfortunately, we haven't more time to keep answering the question, but I'd like to know if all of you like this topic, so you can share your feedback with me in this survey. All right, you can share if you like or dislike this topic, and you can share other topics that you wanna like to talk in the another meeting. Yeah, it was a big pleasure to talk with all of you about technology today, and I hope see all of you in the next week. And right now, I'd like to know if some of us like to talk about computer networks. What about you, Flavio? Do you like to talk about computer networks? How was
Oh
your
yeah,
experience here?
yes. I like it because it's only subject I don't understand very much, but I like it. It's a pretty good class.
Yeah, it was a challenge, all right.
Oh yes.
It was
It's
a
very
challenge
nice.
because we haven't the technology. I'm not a
Oh.
computer network specialist too, but it was like to learn with all of you.
I think
And what about you? Go ahead, Fab. Sorry.
I think you learn you have learning a little bit every day, you know.
Yeah, we learned some words too. For example, dial-up internet, optical fiber.
Yes.
And what about you, Kelly? Did you like this topic? How was your experience today?
Actually, it's not my field is that I have much opinion or I understand, but I see every time it's an opportunity to learn more and to share what we know. So it's a good opportunity to share.
Yes, that's true. So guys, I hope see the answer of all of you in this survey. So I sent the link here on the chat. So please let me know if you like or dislike this topic, and share another topics that you would like to talk in the another week. All right. I hope see all of you in the next week here to talk about technology too. All right. Nice to meet you all of you, and that's it. Good
Nice
night.
to meet you too.
Bye, people.
See you later. Bye bye.
Bye.
Later.
Bye.
See you.
Good evening. See ya.
Good night.
Good night.